Have you heard of scalp threads? Scalp threads are a rejuvenating procedure like PRP, GFC, QR, but are better at it and they are one-time procedure. So what we do, we'll take a thread needle and insert it onto your scalp below your hair. And so many threads are kept, 100 threads per full head we put. So these threads, what they do, they boost the hair from the place where the hair root is. So beside the hair root, we are putting the threads. So the hair keeps getting boosted. We are putting the threads below the hair roots. So hair root germ cells get boosted because these threads are made up of collagen, and collagen causes more collagen building. So ultimately, the texture of the hair, the number of the hair, the quality of the hair improves over time. This improvement goes on for years. So scalp threads is a very good advanced procedure, started recently, we are doing. So since you can do PRP, GFC also, but in PRP, GFC you have to get the treatment done once in month at least, but here we are doing it one time procedure. So suppose if somebody does not have that much of time, so they can come and get this procedure done and go home, do not need to come again. Second thing is that some people don't want to go for hair transplant because it is a surgery and comes with its own risks and benefits also. So instead of going for hair transplant, some people want to go minimally invasive procedure. So scalp threads provides you that option. Also, it is a very good procedure which can be combined with other procedures like PRP, GFC. Even if people who are going for PRP, GFC and are not getting that good of result with PRP, GFC, this procedure is combined with that to boost the results.